You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I know it confuses a lot of people, the spelling does. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced correctly, stay tuned. Pronounced originally from French, Carole. Now, two slightly different ways of pronouncing it, mainly British English pronunciation. Carole, K, a very open A sound, alright? Carole, stress on the first syllable, that's the pronunciation in English, especially in the UK, Carole. Now, in the US, it's more often pronounced as Carole, Carole. It's pronounced this way in the US pronunciation, so Carole or Carole. How do you pronounce it yourself and where are you from? Let us know your pronunciation in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.